Hi, I'm Juliet, and today I'm going through the Chicago Style Essay template in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This is intended as a paper-only format. Okay, as usual we have an About section. I've covered most of these topics in previous videos. We also have an example essay. This template has a few more specific things in the binder than most templates. The essay part of the binder has one simple text document with no special formatting, and is simply selected as a text section in the section type. There are no special labels or statuses and no custom metadata or keywords. So it's simply type and format as required. The front matter has two different options for your introductory page. None of this information is taken from the author profile, although some fields are included. I assume this is taken from the metadata in Compile, apart from the long date, which will be automatic. We'll see that later. Other information will have to be overtyped. So deselect the front page you don't want in the inspector, or the Compile screen. Back matter has an Endnotes page and a Works Cited. Endnotes will appear automatically if you've added footnotes using that function within Scrivener 3. This has a specific Endnotes section type. Works Cited has some dummy text set out with hanging paragraphs, which I assume is how Chicago Style is set out. This should be overtyped with your information. Once again, this has a specific section type for Compile formatting. Interestingly, Compile has two specific formats, one with and one without endnotes already set. There shouldn't be any need to change anything here unless you're veering off from the basic format, other than to put in the metadata to ensure that it will populate those fields in the template. And here's the result of the printout from the first format, which excludes the notes page. Now, the second format, if you don't want both footnotes and endnotes, deselect footnotes in the settings. And that's where I'm leaving this video, because I discovered an issue with this print format, which I'm putting into a separate video released at the same time, because it's an issue that might affect other templates. So you can carry on with this by clicking this video here.